Hey, what's up, Aaron here? Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out the Enroll app, and maybe you're wondering, can you actually make money from this app? I mean, if you check this out right here, it says, be the first, take tests anywhere, earn rewards, right? Can you really make money from this? Let's have a look, right? Anytime you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. So let's check out Enroll to find out whether this is a good way for you to make money online, okay? So it's very easy right here. All you need to do is just log in. So once I've logged in right here, it's going to be, you're going to be on this page right here, right? And you can do this globally from anywhere in the world. And I've reviewed a lot of different testing websites, all right? There's some very good ones out there that pay a very decent amount of money. We'll talk about them, in a second here. But this one, it makes it look like you can just do the same thing, okay? But when you actually log into this site, it's going to ask you a whole bunch of profile questions, which I've already done. And then right here, it's just going to answer you a whole bunch of different questions, and you're just going to keep answering it, right? And then, like this one, are you a registered nurse, for example? And then it's going to, show you how many people have answered. Are you eligible for Medicare? No, this kind of thing, right? And it just keeps asking you questions and questions, and it looks like your mission is progressing forward slowly over time, all right? Now, this is the interesting thing about and the Enroll app is that unlike other user testing platforms, you don't have to answer any of these kinds of questions, all right? For a lot of them, you just fill out your profile, and then once you filled out your profile, that's pretty much it. If you're eligible for tests, they will send it to you via email, and usually you'll get maybe one test a week, one test every couple of weeks, right? You take a test and you get paid like pretty decent amounts of money. Usually it's about $10 to $120 per test, depending on what kind of testing you're doing. If you do like a quick survey, usually they pay a bit less, $10 to $20. If it's an online, interview, they'll pay you about $50. And if you go to their offices, then they'll pay you a little bit more, $120, sometimes even $200 for something like that, all right? Now with these guys, they don't really tell you how much they're gonna pay you, and they make you answer a whole bunch of questions, okay? So you're gonna see, right? It just keeps going on and on and on and on and on, and I could just keep answering these questions, right? And basically what they're trying to do is they're trying to collect as much data on you as possible, but basically I'm answering these questions for free, right? Because you would think that, you would only need to answer a few questions before they start sending you tests. But with these guys, it just keeps going and going and going and going, and it doesn't stop, all right? So that's not how testing platforms work. Usually, again, you just answer a few questions, then they give you an actual test, you do the test, and then they pay you through PayPal. All right. Now, so this, it made me a little bit suspicious, and I'm like, this is a little bit weird, right? I just keep answering questions, but I'm not getting access to the test like other legitimate testing platforms are, right? So I did a bit of research, and I found out that these guys actually don't really give you access to tests, okay? So for a lot of people, what happens is you have to answer thousands of these pre-qualification questions first before they finally give you access to a test. And then when they finally give you access to a test, they're only paying about 10 to 20 cents per test, which is ridiculous, okay? Because with other legitimate testing platforms that I've reviewed on my channel, you can get paid at least $10 to $20 per test, if not, some of the bigger tests, $50, and then the in-person tests are actually $120 to $200 per test. All right. So to make you answer 1,000 to 2,000 of these kind of questions right here, right, and then only finally, okay, give you access to a test where they're only paying you 10 to 20 cents per test, I think is a massive sham. It doesn't sound like it's legitimate. All right. So if I go to Trustpilot, which is a third-party review website, I'm just going to show you right here. Okay, this is enrollapp.com, which is the one that we're testing right now. You're going to see a whole bunch of people just basically saying that they're scammers. Look at this. They collect every possible piece of personal data from you, and then they give you 10 cents. Insane, ridiculous website scammers, okay? Don't waste your time. I've answered 2,600 poll questions, but didn't get a test. What a waste of time, all right? Total scam. You just answer free questions and never get access to paid work, okay? So again, I would say that, this website right here, it looks legitimate, it looks interesting, and they've been around for a while. I would just skip over this, all right, because this is not I don't think that this is a great way for you to really take tests and make money, because they're really just here to gather as much free information as possible. And then when you finally get access to the test, they're literally paying you pennies on the dollar, which doesn't make sense. All right. If you want to do or actually use testing websites to make money, there's some really good legitimate ones, like the one I was mentioning earlier. This one's called usertesting.com. They've been around for a long time, right? $10 to $20 for survey tests, $50 for interviews, and then $120 to $200 for in-person tests. These guys are legitimate. So there's some other ones out there as well. Okay, but just please remember that with testing websites, you're always testing apps and websites and application software and things like that. You're not going to get rich this way, because you're not going to be able to take tons and tons of tests. It's only a few tests a week maximum, right? So it's a little bit of extra pocket change, but again, it is a cool way to start making some extra money online. Testing platforms, testing websites is a particular pillar, a particular niche that you can try to make money online. But I would definitely stay away from Enroll app, because I think this is just a massive waste of time. Okay, so enjoy user testing and some of the other great testing websites if you want to make some money online. And if you're here watching this video right now, if this is the first time you're on my channel, I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. A lot of bad ones like Enroll app. Okay, this one is something I just would not recommend. Obviously usertesting.com a lot better. But if you want to make big money, and I've tested, every single sort of website, app, business model, all sorts of different strategies. The one for me that made a huge difference, it allowed me to quit my full-time job. I've made millions from this particular strategy, is 100% online. If you would like to check that out, I've got a free masterclass that goes through this step by step. Just click the link right below this video to access that masterclass for free if that's something that you want to do. I hope you enjoyed this review of Enroll app right here. All right. And I will see you on the next video review. Take care.